Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to select two different columns in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Well, this video is going to be very straightforward as this step is quite easy, but other people can miss it very easily. That's why I'm telling you this right now. So first, all we have to do is highlight a column by selecting their letter on the top portion of the spreadsheet. Now, if ever we want to select more columns, all we have to do is press Shift on our keyboard and click on any column that we want. Now, we are able to select multiple columns. But if ever we want to get alternating columns or anything, we can either press Ctrl and deselect some columns like this one right here, or we can just restart that by clicking on the spreadsheet. Just hold Ctrl and click on any header or letter for the column that you want to select. Let's say I want to select the even number months. Let's click on February, then hold Ctrl, press April, June, August, October, and December. And there we have it. This is how we select two different columns in Microsoft Excel.